Hey everyone! So today for dinner we are going to be making a soy sauce braised tofu and sautéed spinach. Now I'm a huge tofu fan. I will have it at least 1 or 2 times a week. It is so versatile and contrary to belief, it is not tasteless. So although this recipe for tofu does have pork mince in it, it's still very plant-centered because the meat is used very sparingly and acts just as a flavoring agent for the tofu. But for a completely vegan version, you can completely omit the meat and substitute it with diced carrot. That works really well as well. It gives the tofu a really nice sweetness and pairs well with the soy sauce. So, let's go. So first we're going to prepare the spinach dish. We're just washing a bundle of spinach in cold water, rinsing away all the dirt. We're sautéing this with dried shrimp, so we have 2 tablespoons, and we're going to soak that in cold water. Next, chop an inch piece of garlic into slices and then shreds. So now we're going to chop the spinach. We want to chop it into inch pieces. In a preheated pan, add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in the ginger and fry until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it though. Now we add in our spinach. And then we also add in our dried shrimp. This can be omitted again for vegan version. Now this takes 2 or 3 minutes to stir fry because spinach wilts very quickly. So after 3 minutes, the dish is done. And don't forget to season to taste with some salt. This dish is amazing. It's so gingery and bright and really refreshing. And don't forget to also eat the roots of the spinach. They're the most nutritious part and actually really sweet. So now we're going to prepare the tofu dish. First we're going to slice a 1/2 inch knob of ginger again, and we're going to finely slice it. Now we're going to finely dice a 3-inch piece of pork belly. This is the stage where you can substitute with carrot for a vegan version. Add the diced meat or carrots into a preheated oiled pan, and we're going to let it sear for a couple minutes, allowing to brown on all sides. While this is browning, we're going to slice a few sprigs of scallions, and then we're going to slice our tofu, and then we're going to dice it into 1/2-inch cubes. We used firm tofu, but honestly, any tofu will work. So now the meat has been frying for 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to add in our green onion and ginger. The meat should be well caramelized. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. And then a generous 2 tablespoons of some gluten-free soy sauce. Finally, we will add 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Stir and allow to reduce slightly. We will add in our tofu and turn the heat to medium. We will stir fry this for 2 or 3 minutes, allowing all the sauce to mix with the tofu. Add 2 tablespoons of water and turn the heat to low. This will simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. At this point, the tofu should be nice and soft and well incorporated. We will add some salt, another tablespoon of diced green onions, and also half a cup of thinly diced celery. The celery really adds a freshness. Once the celery is added, turn the heat on high and stir fry for just 2 more minutes. You want the celery to still retain its crunch. And now we are ready to plate. This tofu dish is so addictively Moorish, it's ridiculous. And there we have it, a healthy, delicious tofu dish in under 15 minutes. Both of these dishes pair really well with white rice. The aromatic tofu and also the gingery, tender spinach. Well, dinner is done and it was delicious. And right now I am just sipping on a nice cup of green tea. Now I would recommend it particularly after a heavy meal. It does help the digestion along and it does help your stomach feel a little less heavy and bloated. Definitely try that next time you're feeling a little bit weighed down by the meal you just had. Well, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Please like and subscribe and have a great night.